Welcome to the What If channel, where imagination meets possibility. Let's dive into today's mind-bending question. What if humans could breathe underwater? This idea has fascinated us for centuries. Imagine diving into the ocean, no tanks or scuba gear, and exploring the underwater world as freely as you walk through a forest. The implications of such an ability are profound. It would change life on Earth forever. First, let's consider how this could revolutionize daily life. Entire underwater cities could be built, protected by transparent domes or advanced materials that can withstand ocean pressure. These cities might be powered by renewable energy sources like tidal generators or underwater solar panels. Imagine waking up in an underwater apartment with schools of fish swimming past your window and coral gardens growing on the outer walls of your home. Transportation would shift too, with people swimming or using advanced underwater vehicles to get around instead of cars or trains. Education and workspaces would evolve as well. Schools might be built in glass domes where children could learn about marine life while watching it unfold just outside. Offices could be designed with breathtaking views of the ocean floor, reducing stress and improving productivity. Tourism, of course, would thrive. Picture luxurious underwater hotels, restaurants where you can dine while manta rays swim by, and adventure tours exploring the depths of the ocean, all without the constraints of traditional diving. But what about exploration? Breathing underwater would open up the 80% of the ocean that remains unexplored. Scientists could study fragile ecosystems like coral reefs up close without disturbing them. We might uncover new species of plants and animals, or even learn more about the origins of life itself. Shipwrecks, ancient cities submerged by rising seas, and hidden caves could become accessible, revealing untold stories about human history. Underwater mining for rare minerals could also become easier, though it raises ethical concerns about overexploitation. However, not everything would be smooth sailing. Our presence in the ocean could disrupt delicate marine ecosystems. Coral reefs, which are already under threat from climate change, might suffer even more if humans began constructing habitats nearby. Noise, pollution, and waste could drive marine life away, altering food chains and threatening species that are already vulnerable. Would we be careful enough to coexist with the ocean's inhabitants, or would we end up harming them? And let's not forget the physical dangers. While breathing underwater would solve one problem, others remain. Strong currents, crushing deep sea pressure, and potential encounters with predators like sharks. These factors would make life underwater far from easy. Technology could help us adapt, but what if evolution took over? Could humans develop webbed fingers, stronger lungs, or even gill-like structures over generations? Living underwater would also bring geopolitical challenges. Ocean territories are already contested for fishing rights and resources. If humans began colonizing the seas, disputes over underwater land could escalate. On the other hand, the vastness of the ocean might inspire collaboration instead of conflict. Perhaps underwater living could become a unifying project, bringing countries together to share this new frontier. Finally, there's the psychological aspect. Would people thrive in underwater environments, or would isolation from the surface world lead to feelings of confinement? Humans are deeply connected to sunlight, the sky, and the open air. Would living underwater be as fulfilling, or would it feel like trading one kind of freedom for another? Ultimately, the ability to breathe underwater could revolutionize life as we know it. It would open up new possibilities for exploration, science, and even how we define home. But it would also bring challenges that test our ability to coexist with the natural world. What do you think? Would humanity rise to the occasion and thrive in this aquatic dream? or would it create more problems than it solves? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time as we dive into the endless possibilities of what if.